Quite a good looking car going around. It's got loads
Looks
of
awesome.
Yeah, it's got so much character. Hi, we're out today. We've got a Tamiya. It's a 1/10 scale Tyrrell P34.
Yes.
The era this actually raced in was 1977. It's a really unusual design. You've got the 6 wheels. I think the reason they did this, with the rules and regulations, they did it to give it less drag in the wind. It wasn't very successful at racing. They had loads of trouble on the real ones with tyre temperatures. The front wheels used to heat up a lot quicker before the rear wheels. But as far as sort of advertisement and stuff, it got loads of press because of the 6 wheels, so it was very popular in that side of it. Interesting fact, my dad and Finn's granddad actually worked on the real one of these cars with the race team, so for us to have the RC one's quite cool, isn't it?
Yeah.
Should we tell you a bit about the car then? Do you want to say who's it made by, Finn?
So it's made by Tamiya.
Yep.
And we've... what motor do we have now?
I can't remember the brand of the motor, but we've actually upgraded this. We've put a brushless motor in it. With the radio gear, we've actually got a gyro to try and keep it in a straight line. I don't know if you can see that.
Yeah.
And at the moment it's going to run 2S, which is 7.4 volts, but we can actually run it now on a 3S battery, so that's something that we're going to try later on. We're just going to see how it runs with the brushless, but it should be pretty rapid. It was rapid with just a normal sort of can motor in there, wasn't it?
Yeah.
So on a brush setup, so brushless, it should be really quick.
Yeah.
Alright.
So let's do this.
Yeah, shake and bake.
Alright.
Now I can hear you not giving it any beans.
Maybe a speed on.
Right, here we go. Have you got any gyro on that at the moment?
Yeah, I've got a bit going.
Yeah. You can tweak the gyro a little bit more.
Yeah, fast.
Okay. So this car's got the same tyres, and it does actually make a difference once you've been driving it a while. They start to get a little bit warm and you get more grip, don't you?
Yeah.
So it's a little bit like a real Formula 1 car.
I might need to turn up that gyro just a little bit.
Yeah, it's all about tweaking it really.
No, it would be cool if we actually put it on like the big running track. That'd be awesome.
It's quite slippery on that, believe it or not.
Misjudged the corner.
Crash.
It didn't hit a pole, so that's good.
Not the first crash today, but that's another story.
Did the real one do that?
Yeah. Before it bursts into a ball of flames. You can hear he's being very...
Sensitive on the throttle.
yeah, literally, if he was to pin that throttle, it'd just leap out. Like that. Now that car's gone, Finn, see if you can do a speed bump, but see if you can get a turn in as well. Like a nice big fast turn. Quite a good looking car going around. It's got loads
Looks
of
awesome.
Yeah, it's got so much character.
What year did you say? The 1977,
77, I think. Yeah.
I was a young lad then.
I wasn't even born.
So I think your dad's going to enjoy watching this.
Yeah.
It'll bring back memories. of working on the project.
Sorry, I had to stop it. I didn't want to hit stop again.
Right, do you want to bring it in for a...
Yeah.
So, what do you like about it, Finn?
Well, the 6 wheels, because it just adds a bit more character to it, makes it a bit unique compared to some other RC cars.
Certainly does, very unique, and it was unique at the time, wasn't it? I think before they actually banned 6 wheels and insisted in the rules that the FIA insisted there were only 4. So that's why we don't see it today, unfortunately.
Yeah, at the time it was a loophole in the rules, and so
They took advantage of, yeah.
And they still do it, and today, don't they? Any sort of loophole, you've got to go for it.
Any tactical advantage.
That's it.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Great.
it was cool. It was easy to build this Tamiya kit. It didn't take long, did it? I mean, you didn't have to paint the body. All the plastics come pre-coloured. The only thing you paint is the driver in it. But you can choose 2 different sort of drivers for it. So we went for the British person, Peterson. Yeah, it's a really cool car.
Great. Okay, guys, thanks very much.
Yeah,
If
thank you.
people are interested in watching more adventures, particularly these guys love doing RC cars, then follow Flying Finn RC. I'm filming and I'm on Essential RC, so look us both up. Thanks for watching and thanks very much, guys. Adios.
Adios.
Adios.